Hello everyone. Let's look at today's Leetcode problem. 2966 divide array into arrays with maximum difference. Before starting this problem, let us look at a motivational quote for today. The greatest battles are within oneself. Things like self-doubt, procrastination, lack of discipline, fear of failure, comparison with others. All of these are inner struggles, and sometimes overcoming these can be much more difficult than the exams or the assignments. We should focus on winning on our laziness, staying consistent, overcoming imposter syndrome, believing in ourselves, defeating distractions, focusing on our goals even when it's tough. If you win these battles, inner battles, and if we grow stronger every single day, and success is inevitable, right? So this is a big quote, but yeah, a few things that we face, everyone faces time to time. If we are able to overcome these, then if we are able to focus on our own self and consistency, and working hard on our goals, we will be successful. Okay, so let us look at the problem statement here. So you are given an integer array nums of size n, where n is a multiple of 3. N is a multiple of 3 and a positive integer k. Divide array nums into n by 3 parts. Array of size 3 satisfying the following condition. Difference between any two elements in one array is less than or equal to k. Okay. Return a 2D array containing the arrays. If it is impossible to satisfy the condition, return an empty array, and if there are multiple answers, return any of them. Okay. So let's say if uh, we are given this array, and we know that the length will be multiple of 3. So this is what this statement states here, and we need to divide this array, nums array, in into 3 equal items, as we see here. If there is nothing possible, then we need to return 1. For making these arrays, we need to follow this condition here, which says difference between any two elements, that is a of I minus a of I plus 1, or a of I plus 1 minus a of I plus 2, or a of I plus 2 minus a of I. All of these should be less than or equal to k. This is the base condition to form elements of an array. If we look at it, it's more like a specific element should have a value. A of I should be less than or equal to k. So it can either be 0 also is fine. So like we see here, these two pairs 0, and these two pairs difference is equals to 3. Similarly here it's 1, it's uh, and we should consider these two as well, which is 2. Similarly here these two as 2, right? So any difference, so it would be easier. The approach that we can pick here is uh, the nums array to be sorted, and this would take n log n, log n times, and then we can iterate length 0 to n of the array, and we can check if a of I minus a of I minus 2, I plus 2, right, is less than or equal to k. And if this is true, then we can return an array of a of I, a of I plus 1, a of I plus 2. So this would be our logic, right? So I will quickly implement this solution. Let us go to the Leetcode editor and try solving this problem. So if this is greater than, then we can simply return a empty array, else we can results dot push. We can push the new array with a of I, comma a of I plus 1, comma a of I plus 2, right? So yeah, and we can return the result array. Okay, so this should solve the problem. And time time complexity of this solution would be, okay, so this would be nums of, okay, time complexity of this solution would be, since we are sorting, it would be log n, and we have a for loop which runs n times, so it would be n log n. Okay, I plus 3, since every time we are going to iterate 3 steps forward. Okay, let's try this again. As you can see, the solution gets submitted. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.